So for the last segment of this video, I usually go through the big cap tech companies here. So let's start with Next Semiconductor. Looking at the weekly chart here, SMH, again, we dropped all the way down to the red line, and we have found support in the red line many times before. So this one came back all the way up to the top, near the top. So that's actually very good. I really like the chart, how it looks right now, because we test the red line and then it bounced back all the way to near the top. So again, it doesn't take much for it to have a new closing high. So this is a very resilient market still, like in general, right? Like there's obviously weakness in some areas like software and so forth, which we'll touch in a second here. So here's the bounce above the short-term moving average. Now, you know, 1 day bounce may not be enough, right? Sometimes we get that 1 day bounce, and even this look quite decisively at the top of the range, above the short-term moving average, even this. But you know, if you draw an upper channel line, it's still kind of in a somewhat of a downtrend. So again, but like I said, Friday bounced really strong, 5.4%. So I mean, you know, the bigger stock in this group is obviously NVDA. And here we are, we have a huge bounce, 7.8% by the close. And guess where we're standing? We're standing at the red line. This is the 50-day moving average. It's been a struggle. It goes up above it, comes down below it, goes back above it, comes down. And even with my own trades, you can see it hasn't gone anywhere. So it just goes back and forth, back and forth. Now, maybe one of this time it will work. You know, this is a long base now. It's a pretty long base. Maybe one of this time it will work. But again, earnings coming up February 25th, so in 18 days, so anything can happen. We'll see what happens then. Most likely, it's just gonna wait till earnings before anything really big will happen. So Taiwan Semiconductor already reported it's trading in a very tight range right now. You can see Friday it came all the way to near the previous high at near 350 level, which is a really good sign. And we also have higher volume on Friday as well. So that support is good, and we'll see if it breaks out. AMD is still in a very weak trend here. I mean, we have a bounce on Friday, but not even close to where 10-day is. This is Broadcom AVGO symbol. Still kind of under this, you know, correction here. It's getting closer to coming above this, all these trend lines here. Here's the red line still coming down. So to be safe, we will have to break above that decisively, which can happen. We'll see.